Are you ready to have your mind blown by some incredible starling facts? Let's dive in. Did you know starlings can mimic sounds from their surroundings? Yep, they can copy car alarms, human speech, and even other birds. And get this, a group of starlings is called a murmuration. When they fly together, it looks like a magical dance in the sky. Here's another wild fact. Starlings can recognize themselves in a mirror. Pretty smart for a bird, right? And they're not picky eaters either. These little guys will munch on insects, fruits, and even your leftover picnic snacks. But starlings aren't just fun to watch. They're also super helpful in controlling pests like beetles and caterpillars. So next time you see a starling, remember, these birds are full of surprises. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome bird facts.